Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Google Analytics filters. Google Analytics is a powerful tool used to track and analyze website traffic. And filters are a crucial component of this tool. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics filters are used to modify or exclude data from your reports, allowing you to focus on specific information and gain more accurate insights. They can be applied to views, which are subsets of your Google Analytics data. There are two main types of filters: predefined and custom. Predefined filters are templates provided by Google Analytics, and they can be used to perform common tasks such as excluding internal traffic or including only specific subdomains. Custom filters, on the other hand, allow you to create unique rules based on your specific needs. To create a filter, you need to specify the filter type, which can be based on IP addresses, domains, or specific patterns within your website's URLs. For example, you can create a filter to exclude traffic from your company's IP address, so that your internal traffic does not skew your reports. Another key concept is filter order, which determines the sequence in which filters are applied to your data. This is important because the order of filters can affect the outcome of your reports. It's recommended to apply the most specific filters first, and then move on to more general ones. Best practices for using Google Analytics filters include testing them thoroughly before applying them to your live data, and using them sparingly to avoid data loss. It's also a good idea to keep a backup of your unfiltered data, in case you need to refer back to it. In conclusion, Google Analytics filters are a powerful tool for refining your website's data and gaining more accurate insights. By understanding the different types of filters, how to create and apply them, and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics and make data-driven decisions to drive your business forward.